Bill Goudy checking in. Can you see this? Check this out. I'm on an adventure today. I don't know if you can tell, but that is nearly straight up, and then there's a little lip and then a tree, and my camper sits up on top of that hill, but back a ways, probably about 100 yards. And I bought I got a Harbor Frieght 2,500 pound winch. I put it on the old four-wheeler. I sure did. I had a 1,500 pound, but relays went bad. The winch was all right, and I tell you what, I paid $47.88 for the whole winch, and they want $61 for a replacement switch, just exactly like I had. Now I can get by with a cheaper thing, but I thought, well, heck, for 47 bucks, I bought a wireless 2,500 pound winch and installed it. Now I'm going to check it out. I'm going to stand off the unit and pull it up that hill. Come along with me. Check it out. There's a release right here. I don't know if I can. It's under pressure, so I'll have to use. It comes with a key fob, and I have to push it, turn it on till the blue light comes on. There it is. And I want to extend. So let's see if I can. There we go. There we go. Now I can pull the cable off freewheeling right now. Yeah, you know what? I don't have my tripod, so you're going to have to deal with it. I'm afraid that I didn't bring my tripod with me down here, and I'm not going to go back and get it. Oh well, let's do the best we can. What do you think there, Lucy? This is almost straight up and down right here, I'm telling you. This will be a true test. What do you think, huh? What do you think? Think it'll do it? So I'm going to start the four-wheeler up because of the small battery, and instead of running the battery completely dead, and yeah, I could pull start it and it would start up and run, but why not just run it? I think I'll just run it while I got this remote starter, or this remote switch, and I don't have to be on the four-wheeler while it's going up there. That's what I really like. Let's see if it works. Oh, look at that. Yeah, the front wheels are blocked up on something. Took the back wheels right off the wall, right off the ground. That looks dangerous. Let's see if we can undo those front wheels. That's a dead weight now, let me tell you. I'm impressed. As long as that cable and that rope hold, I'm okay. So here's the front. Yeah, that cable is tight now. And here's the tire. Yeah, there's a root right there. See if I can lift that up over that. Yeah, this is where I wish I had the tripod. I got rope over that. I'm sorry, I had to turn the camera off. I had to use both hands. Quite a load right there. Uh-oh, something flipping. Yeah, look at that. That cable wrapped between the winch. Yeah, that's not good. No. Maybe 47 bucks wasn't a deal. I'll tell you how I think I'll do is hook the truck on, pull it up, take the pressure off that, get it up over that hump, and take the pressure off of that right there. Yeah, that winch isn't any good. 47 bucks ain't worth it. No, I think I'll buy me a relay. Yeah, I think I will, because I never had that problem with that other winch. I'll tell you that right now. So what I have is a 10,000 pound tow strap. We'll see if it's long enough. I don't know. Let's see if we got enough. Oh, look at that. Oh, you look at that. Just barely. Just fits. All right, now see if we can pull that. I don't know. You sure can't ask for any better scenery than that, I'm telling you. Well, had a winch failure, that's for darn sure. Yeah, I don't know. That winch let that wire get in there, and there should be some kind of guard against that. I haven't had that problem before. I'm glad I tested it out. Yeah, I'm going to get a different winch put on there. I'm going to try that again. I'm just going to leave that red rope on. There's just 2 bolts that hold that in, and then the power line comes up to it. So it's easy to switch out, and there's no problem with that. But I wonder what kind of liability that Harbor Freight will replace that or not. They should. It's junk. In my book. I don't know if I want another one anyway. Lessons well learned, tell you. Let me tell you another problem with that whole winch setup is that portable, that little key fob that extends and retracts. Yeah, I put it in my pouch, and guess what? I've lost it. So now I got no way to run that winch. There's no manual push button or anything on that to operate those relays. And without that fob, so you got to buy a whole new fob. I wonder if those are replaceable. Or you can, I think you can just buy that kit. But that's ridiculous, you know. Look, it's all these leaves, all this debris. I don't see, you know, it could have been anywhere it popped out, because once the winch broke, I put that fob away, and then I got sidetracked. You know, I got busy trying to pull that up out of there, and using the truck and the four-wheel drive, and now I have no idea where I lost that. It's gone, you know. Yeah, let that be a lesson to you. Don't make the same mistake. 47 bucks. I think those are normally 50, almost 60 bucks, but it was a Black Friday special. Yeah, it wasn't no special, let me tell you. No special at all. There's a lesson well learned is what that was. All right, well, no fob that I can see. Well, I could get Lucy to sniff that out for me. What do you think, Luce? Think you can find it? Maybe I'll find it during mushroom hunting. It won't make any difference. I'm not going to use that winch anyway. I'm going to get a better one. Thanks for watching. Man, go Goudy out. Look, right after I signed out, there it is, laying right there where I was hooking onto the four-wheel drive truck. Just like finding mushrooms. Yeah, I found it. Oh, let that be a lesson to you. This is the winch, Super Winch T1500, 1500, a T1500 Super Winch. I got this at the farm store many years ago, and you can see that it's sealed. You can't, that cable can't get in there. The cable possibly could get in on this side, but I never had that problem that I had with the winch from Harbor Freight, the Badland winches. Yeah, there's no guard or protection allows the cable to get in there. Now, I bought this winch also at the farm store. I paid around I think 80 bucks on sale, but look at the guards, look at the protection. It's only rated at 2,000 pounds, but I'll tell you what, it's already better than the winch from Harbor Freight. Yeah, I paid 47 bucks for that, and the only thing I got was a switch. And I'm going to use this winch. I'm going to use a 2,000 pound winch. I'm not going to put this one on. I'll use that for something else, or I'll just keep it for spare. But that's what we're going to use right there. That looks good. That Harbor Freight winch, man, it just exploded. Yeah, it's just no good. Let's give this a try, shall we? Yeah, I'm telling you, there's just a big difference from those different winches. I got one that I bought on sale. I installed it on my four-wheeler, and it's built so much better. I just climbed this hill with no trouble at all, and I use the same exact setup and everything. I made some changes. Look at this. This is steel, and it's got that plastic coating on it. I painted it with plastic coating, and it's got the key fob. That way, if I drop it, yeah, next chance I get to get fluorescent tape, I'm gonna put some fluorescent tape. But not only is it magnetic, I can find it with a metal detector, I can find it with a magnet, and hopefully I can just see it. But yeah, it's much better situation. than what it was. So I'm happy. I'm happy with this winch setup. I'm using the key fob off the Harbor Frieght. Otherwise I have to buy a relay. So you know, I'm going to make this work. I'll make this happen. I don't like the fact that there's no manual push button that I can push if I lose this. You know, if I lose this, I'm out. I don't have it. And there's been time or two that I've had to use this winch when I had that trailer load full of wood and it's been raining and the tires are slick and I had to pull, oh man, a couple times I had to do that. So I rely heavily on the winch. Plus that winch works on my blade, lifts my blade up and down when I'm doing the snow. So double duty there. Listen, I'd like to hang around and talk to you a little more. I don't want to take any more of your time. It gets dark so darn early. I got so much stuff to do. Bill Goudy out. Thank you for watching. Lucy says she's out too.